Welcome back to Daily English Fluency, where we bring you real-life English conversations. Today's episode is all about navigating an airport smoothly from check-in to boarding. If you've ever felt nervous about speaking English at an airport, this episode will give you the confidence to handle every situation. Joining me is James, and we'll act out 10 real-life airport scenarios. Let's get started. Hi, I'd like to check in for my flight to New York.
Certainly. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thanks. Are you checking in any bags today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale. All right, it's within the weight limit. Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
I'll seat, please.
Great. Here's your boarding pass. You'll board at gate 12 at 10:30 a.m.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, sir. Please place your belongings in a tray, including your laptop and any liquids.
Okay, do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, shoes, belt, and any metal objects, please. Sir, I need to check your bag. It looks like there's a water bottle inside.
Oh, I forgot about that. I'll throw it away.
Thanks. You're good to go.
Excuse me, could you help me find gate 25?
Sure. Walk straight ahead and turn left.
Thank you. Also, where is the nearest coffee shop?
There's one next to your gate.
Perfect. Thanks a lot.
Excuse me, my seatbelt seems stuck.
Let me help you. There you go.
Thanks. When will we land?
Around 5:30 p.m. local time.
And do you have a meal menu?
Yes, chicken, pasta, or a vegetarian option.
I'll have the pasta, please.
Sure.
Excuse me, my suitcase didn't arrive. I'm sorry to hear that. Can I see your baggage claim tag? Yes, here it is.
Thanks. It looks like your bag is arriving on the next flight.
Oh, okay. When will that be?
In about 30 minutes. We'll deliver it to you.
Thank you.
Excuse me, I have a connecting flight to Tokyo. Where's gate 32?
You need to go to Terminal B. It's about a 10-minute walk.
Oh, my flight leaves in 20 minutes.
I recommend taking the shuttle train. It's faster.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to London. May I see your passport and arrival card?
Sure, here you go.
What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for business.
How long are you staying?
5 days.
Do you have anything to declare?
No.
All right. Welcome to London.
Excuse me, how much is this perfume?
It's $60, but if you buy 2, you get a 10% discount.
That's a great deal. I'll take 2.
Wonderful. Would you like them gift-wrapped?
Yes, please.
Attention passengers on flight 456 to Paris. Your flight has been delayed by 1 hour due to weather conditions.
Oh no.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, my flight was delayed. Will my connecting flight be affected?
Let me check. Your connection is still on schedule, so you should be fine.
That's a relief. Thank you.
Excuse me, I lost my boarding pass.
No problem. May I see your ID?
Sure.
All right, I've reprinted your boarding pass. Here you go.
Wow, that was fast. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great flight.
Host, that's it for today's episode. We hope these airport conversations help you travel with confidence. Practice these dialogues aloud to improve your English fluency.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tune in next time for more real-life English conversations.